You want to furnish one room, two rooms, or even your whole house, both inside and out, but for the fraction of the cost, well, you could do so. If you stop in at Northeast Factory Direct, that's where we're at right now with their owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. What do you have here?
We've got hot tubs, we have kitchen cabinets, we have mattresses, furniture, sectionals, theater seating, recliners, just about anything for inside or outside.
And you just save people, every person that comes in here that have talked to me, I mean, you're not just saving them hundreds, you're saving them thousands of dollars. How do you do that?
Yeah, this is just an example. You can get the bed, the dresser, the mirror, the chest, the nightstand, and the mattress set for right around $1,000, which normally costs you like $3,000. To give you an example, that's like going into a regular store and buying the mattress, but getting a free complete bedroom set.
There's no warehouse fees. NortheastFactoryDirect.com is where you can find all their information.